So at the back here, we've got the existing garage. What the plan is to take down the greenhouse and replace it in that area with a studio. Now, studio is going to be a wood construction, and it's going to be set on these they're like metal corkscrews, really. The idea is that these corkscrews can be set in the ground at various points, then struts across the metal corkscrews, then boards on top of that, and then build the frame out on top. So what I've been doing is I've been collecting bits and bobs to actually build this out. So I've got the Velux windows, I've got this massive piece of glass that's going to go in the front, and I've got the struts for the base of the studio, and I may have a few left over to be able to do some of the framing as well, but we'll see how it goes. So that's what's going to be about, is take down the greenhouse, clear all and level the area, put down some kind of weed matting down there, put the corkscrews in, start building out, and build a studio in the place. So this studio is going to be for my wife to do her ceramics in there. So she's going to have a spinning wheel, potter's wheel, a bunch of shelves. I'm going to see if I can run electrics and water and drainage in there as well, so that she can have it as a pretty much a self-contained unit. And perhaps at some point in the future get a little wood burner in there as well, so it can be nice and toasty when it comes to winter projects. So, part 1, this is the plan. Why not click on that subscribe button down there? Then, if you click on that bell notification as well, then you'll be notified the next time I release the next stage. I'm going to release this in build stages, so there's going to be about 7 stages, I think, that I'm going to get this together in. But for now, this is the plan. Cool for cats.